Hello, Pacific Hurricane Swell. Delivery from Underwater Photography.
There's a lighthouse on the water, throwing light back at the shore. I heard you died trying to swim towards it. Now you're living on the river's floor. I heard the mighty Mississippi took you out with just one punch. I heard you had the voice of a sweetheart, but the sweetheart was out getting drunk. Buckley singing hallelujah. He did what Lennon never could to it, gave it wings, then away it was. Number 2 in England, and they say you're your daddy's son. But Jeff, if you're anything like me, you only care about America, where you're always in someone's way, or you're singing while you're sinking in sand, in the river still from far away. But if you touch her, she will pull you in, 'cause she's violent and she's stubborn and she's ugly, but I love her. Goddamn, goddamn. I feel like valleys on a Cessna, flying through the fog. There's a lighthouse on the water. It's not a lighthouse, that's just Arkansas. Yeah, the sky can lift the river and spread it out over the farm. Life's just one long day, babe, but I've been awake all day long. And I one day too plan to be king. Put some gloves on me, oh, and put me in the ring. No, just to be a fighter, big black boots strapped to my feet. To be so young but so tired, and still prettier than anything. Caterpillar in the winter, till wings come in the spring, till then settle down in some shotgun.